Fas kuom lipot majaberno. Kawadhi nyime riwruok mar jotich e kaunti ma Kakamega kwedo chenro mar piny owacho mar medo osuru ming'ado e sach jotij piny owacho. Kane giloso e magawa moro e boma ma Kakamega kotelnegi kod Seth Panyako, jotich go ywak ni pek mar ngima obembogi ka koro medo ng'ado 3% mar osachgi ne gedo mag ute piny owacho ok en gima ber, kendo ng'ado 35% ka ok 30% kaka ne entiere e chudo mar okumba mar NHIF kod NSSF biro sando ngima jotich. Giseyo piny owacho kuom dhi ataro mar singo manigi keto mar ting'o malo ngima joma yutogi ni piny, kendo koro sando ngimagi nyaka kuom joma omendagi tin magiyudo.
The proposed deduction as it stands will not have any benefit to the employees and instead will burden their purchasing power, which is already adversely affected by the inflation. And the parliamentarians must ensure that this bill does not pass. Recently, the government imposed 7.5% deduction on the employees' salaries, which is supposed to go to the pension scheme. House rent was increased by 10% by the government to the employees who are occupied in government houses. NHIF deduction has been increased. Pay as you want is there waiting for us. Now all this deduction when taken from our salaries will leave us with nothing completely. Our advice to the Parliament of Kenya, you are there to serve the people, not to serve yourself. Please consider the employees in the public sector who are already burdened, and you fast track. We want increase of salaries to employees by the government. And the Parliament should ensure that the SRC, which is doing nothing to us, is removed completely.
When they are bringing those taxes, are they adding salary? Even in the recent Labor Day, did you hear anywhere where they increased somebody's salaries? Now they come with the taxes. What are those taxes going to assist us? NHIF is not even working. You go with a patient to hospital, the patient is sent away that there is no money, or maybe your government has not remitted. Is it even my problem? We have houses, even if they are grass-thatched houses. Those are our houses. We do not need government houses. We do not need anybody to purchase houses for us. 50 years to come, will even my grandson or daughter benefit from those houses? We refuse to be imposed to taxes that are not helpful to us. Mshahara yetu tunatoa jasho, tuko na watoto wa kulisha, tuko na watoto wa kusomesha. As we speak now, the schools are opening. We don't even have money for school fees. And somebody is ready with a pen to deduct my 3% at the housing. Housing for what?